What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are working on a Toyota Tacoma. Long time with the Tacoma. I think the last video with the Tacoma was what was the video with the last Tacoma? Dang, I forgot. Oh, the taillights. Oh yeah, it's been a while, and it's been pretty neglected. I haven't paid any attention to it. I need to be on my game on that. That's my baby. That's my first car. But today we are gonna give her a little facelift, and here is what I'm gonna be putting on the vehicle. Is a Dezert off-road, Desert Runner off-road bumper. I've been waiting for this for a while because it's pretty much this couple that run these. It's her and her husband fabricates them, and as you can see, he does an amazing job. I really love this bumper. It's worth the wait for me. It really is, and it's not that expensive at all. It was about 500 and something, almost 600 I believe, and plus shipping, which was another 250. So overall, like $800-900 you'll be spending on this bumper. And they also have either with a hoop or with cutouts for light bar and all that stuff. I'll leave a link down below where to get one or how to contact them. But yeah, here you go. This is what we're gonna be putting on my truck. And as you can see, I do not have a bumper already. I have this little grill guard type of thing. I got this a couple years ago, and I took off the bumper so I could motivate myself to get a new bumper, and it took a couple years, but we made it, guys. We made it. Here we are now with a brand new bumper, and yes, guys, this is bare metal so far. I will get it painted or powder coated, vice versa, whichever one. I don't know yet what I want to go with, since I don't want to be spending a lot of money right now. I might just rattle can it for now, but don't know yet. But I'm just gonna paint it black, and then just leave the aluminum plate blank like that. But yeah, I'm so hyped about this. I just got this yesterday, and I can't wait to install it. I've been wanting to install it, but I got off work pretty late yesterday, and it was dark by the time I got off. And today I got off a little early just to install this on my baby girl right here. Well, all right, guys, I'm not gonna be much help. So if you guys have your stock bumper on, since mine is off, but if I remember correctly, since I did this years ago, it's just a bunch of 10 mils and screws and clips, so all around, mostly like all right here and stuff. It's been so long, guys. Have a horrible memory, but yeah. But if you guys do have the stock bumper, you would most likely have to take off the grill. I believe you did have to take off the grill, and I believe I'm gonna have to take off my skid plate down here, my bulletproof fabrication skid plate. I don't know if it's gonna work with the bumper or not, but we'll find out, or else we'll try to make it work. But man, I am pretty excited, and that needs another powder coating too. Look at that. It's been through something. But man, I can't get this going. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take off this grill guard, and we're gonna get this going. Alright guys, so there you go. Look at that bumper. This looks so good. Dude, I am loving this new look for the truck. Wow, and it was so easy to install. It's basically just those 6 bolts, well, other than taking off the stock bumper and everything. But yeah guys, there you go. I ended up taking that skid plate off because I don't know if you guys saw in the video, but it was like hanging to like right there. Looked a little weird, so I'm gonna probably need to get up. I think I threw away my stock skid plate, so I think I'm gonna have to get another one, or probably make one. Just make one to like right there to down there. That'd be pretty cool. But yeah guys, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this bumper, because wow, I am loving it. So pretty much just bolts on to the frame right here. There's these 3 studs all around right here. There's two right here and 1 right there. Same on this side, and that's where the factory bash bar or crash bar, whatever you want to call it, that's where it would sit. So I had these aluminum kind of stick outs with studs. You pretty much take those out, and from where those mounted on, that's pretty much where you mount the bumper right there. And pretty simple, just some 14 millimeters right there. But yeah guys, what do you guys think? Wow, I'm loving it, and I can't wait to get it painted or powder coated or whatever's. It's gonna look so good. And I will be leaving the aluminum bare right there, since that doesn't Did I mention that this bumper only weighs about 55 pounds? Can you believe that? A whole metal bumper only weighing 50 pounds, no over than 60 pounds. Can you believe that? So you kind of don't really need any modifications up in the front, like adjusting your suspension or having reinforcements or anything, because it only weighs 55 pounds. It's pretty crazy. Yeah, and it was really light. I could carry it no worries. I mean, can you do that with your ARB bumper? Well, I don't know how those heavy. I don't know if those are heavy or not, but they look pretty heavy. But yeah guys, this only weighs 55 pounds, so I think that's pretty cool. And as aggressive as it looks, I think this bumper is perfect, at least for me. I mean, I love it. No regrets, no complaints whatsoever. Simple, nice, aggressive. I love it. The waiting time is crucial though, I am not gonna lie. It took a while, but 100% worth it. 100%. Well, enough of me talking guys. Me and Branson are about to go up to the dunes right now. I'm trying to get some cool shots and just mess around a little bit, so I'll see you guys over there. We got Santa Pest in the house over here. Oh yeah, look at the Santa boy. Look at the Santa boy. Vincent for helping me with this install, having some fun out tonight.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, well that's pretty much it for today's video. I appreciate you guys for watching and supporting this channel. Thank you guys so much. And stay tuned for a lot more that's gonna go on the Rex and my Lexus. Lots of things coming, so and you guys don't want to miss out. I promise you that. Alright guys, well thank you guys so much, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'll catch you in the next one.